Hello students, so today we are going to see about 4 camera CCTV surveillance system. So cameras are installed at various locations where security is needed. The live coverage is connected directly by cables through switch to digital video recorder and monitor. We can observe the online live video signal simultaneously or single camera as per setting or DVR through software control. Also, we can retrieve and can download footage of particular day and time for searching mischief or crimes. Nowadays, through internet, CCTV images and videos are accessible online through internet using particular IP address or DVR. There are different types of cameras used in CCTV system. These are indoor camera, outdoor camera, infrared, day-night camera, drone camera, bullet camera, hidden camera, pan tilt camera, motion detection, wireless camera. Some of the typical CCTV cameras are shown in figure. Now internal and external dome camera, bullet camera. These are the images of this. Now typical DVR system is shown in figure. Typical video image view on CCTV monitor is shown in figure below. As shown in above figure, on CCTV monitor, which is LCD screen, through DVR software we can see video output of a single camera or multiple camera with proper setting. Similarly, we can retrieve footage, clip images, video footage through software for verification of a security. Now public address system. Public address system is nothing but a sound system having a electronic amplifier with mic as input and loudspeaker as output. So in some cases audio output is processed through equalizer, mixer to speaker. It increases the loudness of human voice, musical instrument or other acoustic sound source or recorded sound or music. PA systems are used in any public venue that requires that an announcer, performer, etc. be sufficiently audible at a distance or over a large area. Typical applications include live shows, public meetings, sports events, public transportation stations, schools, etc. In short, PA system is useful to transmit audio communication to group of the peoples. So this is a PA system block diagram. This is a physical configuration of a public address system. Now as shown in figure, public address system consists of microphone, audio preamplifier, power amplifier, speaker and power supply to drive the circuits of amplifier. Typical portable public address system is shown in figure. Now working of each block in public address system is as below. Microphone. It converts sound wave of speech into electrical signal which is of low voltage signal. Hence before it is to be connected to speaker be amplified sufficiently. Audio preamplifier. This boosts small audio signal generated from microphone to feed power amplifier input. Now power amplifier. This amplifies the audio signal to large power in order to drive the loudspeaker. Now DC power supply. It provides the energy to preamplifier and power amplifier. So in some public address system is to be applied in auditorium for musical programs. Output of power amplifier is connected through mixer to loudspeaker, where audio signal quality can be controlled at particular frequencies. There may be more than one microphone at input and more than one speaker at the output as per the application of the system. Nowadays, wireless portable public address systems are also available. In general, specification of public address system is defined by wattage. The number of watts that need depends on the number of factors including style of music, the size of venue, the location indoors and the number of people in the audience. Technically, with all things being equal, if we double the number of watts we double the sound pressure level, our ears do not necessarily perceive the volume as twice as loud. The reasons for this are quite complicated, but as general rule, doubling the number of watts increases perceived volume by around 30%. Thermostat. A thermostat is a component which senses the temperature of a physical system and performs actions so that the system temperature is maintained near a desired set point. Thermostats are used in any device or system that heats or cools to set point temperature like room temperature, central heating and air conditioners, water heaters, as well as kitchen equipment including ovens, refrigerators and medical and scientific incubators. There are several types of thermostats like mechanical, non-programmable, manual thermostat, digital non-programmable thermostat, programmable thermostat, wireless thermostat, communicating thermostat. Thermostat is useful sensor to automate electronic or electrical system. We can have simple example of automatic electric iron. When we set the temperature of ironing particular cloth like silk, cotton, wool, it remains constant due to make and break switching of power supply, controlled by bimetallic strip thermostat. Another example is electric water geysers. It maintains constant temperature of water flow by switching water heating element on and off at desired value. Thermostat is also used to control cooling process too. A good example in everyday life is a cooling control inside refrigerator. We set the cooling temperature inside refrigerator by controlling knob, which is nothing but set value or temperature at which thermostat will operate to switch on and switch off compressor of refrigerator and maintain constant temperature. Besides these domestic applications of thermostat, it is widely used in industrial applications. Thermostats are used to monitor and regulate the temperature of the indoor area. An electronic thermostat senses the temperature, such as with the thermistor or thermocouple, and returns an electrical signal to the rest of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, indicating which functions, heating or cooling, should be enabled. Typical digital thermostat controller used in HVAC system is shown in figure. The typical thermometer system. The house or office temperature is controlled through this type of digital thermometer, where compressor airflow system is controlled by setting particular temperature on this unit. Now compare features for available smartphones in the market. Search for public address system to be used at musical orchestra with 5,000 audience. Now search for CCTV system of 16 cameras with at least 4 day-night vision. An electronic system is the interconnection of components or parts connected for particular objective or work to be done. Now basic building blocks of any electronic system is main controlling and processing block of system with number of inputs and outputs. A cellular radio system provides standard telephone operation by two-way radio at remote locations. Each cellular radio allows the user to link up the standard telephone system, which permits calls to any part of the world. The basic concept behind the cellular phone system is that rather than serving a given geographical area with a single transmitter and receiver, it divides the area into many smaller areas known as cells. The typical cell covers only several square kilometers or contains its own receiver and low power transmitter. The cell site is designed to relatively serve only vehicles in its small area. Modern cellular telephone system has grown to so fast that in many areas of communication, use of cellular phone is preferred. The mobile handset number, SIM card number, and telephone number are unique in mobile phone communication. Service providers maintain the updation with the subscribers as the new technology advances in the field of mobile phones. A smartphone is a cellular telephone with the integrated computer and other features not originally associated with the telephone, such as an operating system, web browsing, and the ability to run the software application. Now smartphones have advanced features like screen touch operation, camera with advanced feature, fast charging battery, having Wi-Fi connectivity, dual SIM facility, embedded memory, enhanced sound quality, web browsing, various kinds of ready apps available for different tasks. Biometric protection, video chatting, Bluetooth connectivity includes inbuilt sensors like accelerometers for detection of acceleration, vibration, and tilt to determine movement and exact orientation along the 3 axes. Gyroscope, magnetometer, GPS, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, microphone, touchscreen sensors, etc. Main important feature of smart mobile phone is touchscreen operation. Touchscreen is only the sensation of key through electrical properties like resistive, capacitive, infrared, and nowadays near field imaging are used. Operating system in smartphone Android provides gestures with touchscreen like pinch, double tap, scroll, long press, and select, etc. Screen rotation is one of the features of smartphone. It works due to the accelerometer sensor embedded in it. When we rotate our mobile phone, accelerometer detects that motion and software performs desired rotation of the image. One of the most important features of smartphone is its connection to the App Store. An App Store is a centralized portal where users can search for and download software applications to run on their phones. A typical app store offers thousands of mobile apps for productivity, gaming and word processing, note taking, organization, social media and more. Surveillance camera system is nothing but closed circuit television system. CCTV is the use of video cameras to send out a signal to a specific small set monitors, therefore called as a closed circuit television. A DVR is essentially a computer that saves security video images to hard drive. Most security cameras in use today capture an analog signal. So DVR converts the analog signal to digital and then compresses it. We can retrieve the image, video and footage of required day and time from it. A CCTV camera security systems are largely used in places like airports, banks, hospitals, warehouses, schools, hotels, casinos, stadiums, police station, military area, commercial centers, vehicles, trucks, buses, car, trains, train station, bus station, office, home, shopping mall. So there are different types of cameras used in CCTV system. These are indoor camera, outdoor camera, infrared camera, drone camera, billet camera, hidden camera, pan-tilt zoom camera, motion detection and wireless camera. We can retrieve and can down footage footage a particular day and time for searching mischief of crimes. Nowadays through internet, CCTV images, videos are accessible online through internet using particular IP address of the DVR. Public address system is nothing but a sound system having an electronic amplifier with mic as input and loudspeaker as the output. So typical applications of public address system are live shows, public meetings, sports events, public transportation stations, schools, etc. So in short, PA system is useful to transmit audio communication to group of peoples. A thermostat is a component which senses the temperature of physical system and performs action so that the system's temperature is maintained near a desired set point. Thermostats are used in any device or system that heats or cools to a set point. Temperature like room temperature, central heating, air conditioners, water heaters as well as kitchen equipment including ovens and refrigerators and medical and scientific incubators. So there are several types of thermostat like mechanical, non-programmable, manual thermostat, digital non-programmable thermostat, programmable thermostat, wireless thermostats, communicating thermostats. Okay. Now these are the various questions you have to solve for the practice. So exercise true and false. You solve these questions. Okay. I think all of you have purchased the books. Then multiple choice questions. A cellular phone communication call. Long answer questions. Long answer questions. So all of you solve these questions as an assignment. Okay. Okay. So this is all about the third chapter.